Today, we're going to learn how to set the map. So setting that is very important because it allows you to relate the map to real life and align the map's north to north in reality. So first, you set down the map on the floor. It's like this. I know this isn't the map of the area we're currently in, but I don't have the correct map, so whatever. Then you put your compass on top. Now, as you can see, north of the compass is this way, while north of the map is here. Therefore, we must rotate the map until the north of the map aligns with the north on the compass, as seen by the red needle. And this is how you set the map.